Can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
My name is Barakat from Nigeria.
Okay, and have you ever taken the IELTS exam before?
No. This is my first time.
First time, okay. Have you taken, I guess, let me ask you, have you taken any practice tests?
Yes, but I've not done anyone pertaining to speaking except reading, listening, everything.
Okay. So how is your speaking?
It's okay. It is not that good to go for this test.
Okay. And so tell me, why do you have to take the IELTS exam?
I'm planning to travel, to relocate.
To relocate for work purposes, or
Work.
so you have to take the general exam, yeah?
Yes, general.
General exam. And which part of the IELTS speaking section do you find the most challenging?
Almost everything. Almost everything.
So can I ask you, what have you been doing to prepare for IELTS speaking?
I don't know much about that, speaking of it. For my
Okay.
daily basis, I prefer going for listening and reading.
That's what you
For
practice.
speaking, I have challenges there. A lot of challenges.
So, do you watch any podcasts, TV shows, anything on a daily basis to listen to people speaking English?
Though because of this exam, I'm trying to focus on some newspapers because actually I don't like it. I don't go for it.
Okay. I would really recommend you to start listening to podcasts or maybe watching TV shows in English, because this will help you more for sure. I can send you some podcasts, very short podcasts of people speaking English, for you to start listening to. You know podcasts, right? Yes. And so you're saying you haven't done much to prepare for the speaking, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
No.
And I recommend this, Barakat, because honestly, this will help you for all the sections, because you will become familiar with different words, how they are structured. You will hear it, right? Hearing is different than reading, because sometimes reading, we're not fully concentrated on the reading, you know? So, maybe if you watch TV, if you could watch TV in English, it helps for sure. But it's one thing to hear the word Barakat, but honestly, I would recommend that when you are listening and you don't understand a word, you have to look it up in the dictionary for sure. You know, you have to make that effort to look up a word in the dictionary, because if you just say, "Oh, okay, I read it," or okay, I'm listening, you will not remember what that word means, you know? Do you look up words in the dictionary when you
Yes.
Okay, good. That's a
I'm
good.
trying to work on some vocabularies also.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, you have to build your vocabulary, which is good. Especially because in the IELTS speaking section, you know what types of topics he will discuss. Like, I mean, the basic, maybe technology, maybe about your hobbies, maybe about scenery. So then you should try to learn some vocabulary words on those topics, you know? And here's a question. I'm looking at my questions. Do you have anyone to practice speaking English with?
No.
No?
Yes.
Online?
I don't know.
You didn't find anyone through these groups or the group are you in my IELTS Speaking Ladies Only group?
No, I'm not.
Oh, okay. I can send you that on Telegram. I made a IELTS Speaking Ladies Only group, and you can find somebody in that group, connect
To
with
speak
them,
with.
yeah, to speak with, because to be honest, it just starts with those little things, right? If you have someone you could speak with, practice with, this will help you.